YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to put LED strips behind the Chevrolet in my grill. I got the idea from a guy on Instagram. His Instagram handle, I believe, is 2020 Duramax. That's where I got the idea from, so I'm going to attempt to try to do it. It's basically, we'll put white LED strips behind the grill, obviously wire them up. I'm going to show you just what I'm going to do to the grill at this point. Not really sure what's going to happen, how to do it, whatever, but we're going to figure it out. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. All right, this is the back part of the grill. I'm going to attempt to put this LED strip behind it so it glows down and then lights up the Chevrolet. There's going to be a couple of things I'm going to have to do. I'm going to trim up each one of these tabs so this sits flat. And then here I'm going to have to do something because this is where the bumper connects to the front. I'm going to pretty much run it all the way down. You can cut these too. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So here we go. I want everything to connect on the left side of the truck. Use I think it's a 1/2-inch drill bit for this, so I can get in behind here. So it. So if you can see that in the camera, that's what it's going to kind of look like, but it's going to be flat against here. I might cut that out a little bit with a razor knife. But that's basically what it's going to look like. I'm gonna shave it all down with a razor knife, just so there's no sharp edges or anything, just in case. Actually working a lot better than what I expected it to be. Going to clean up these edges that I cut. That one I might have to trim a little bit more. I don't know. All right, you can kind of tell how it's going to sit up in there, just like that. Obviously it's not two-sided taped yet, but I got to clean everything. Just like that. Then I'll project the light down and should come out. Hopefully in the Chevrolet badge. All right, we're gonna start putting the lights on the strips. Start up here. I don't know, it really doesn't seem like it's sticking that well. I mean, everything's clean. Maybe just in that corner doesn't want to stick. All right, it looks pretty good. All right, here you go, final product. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. I think it turned out really good. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it.